farther, you'll see another famous popular point, Ryan. So it took me a second to figure this out, but you can see climbers. Apparently it was hidden, right? They had to blast their way through. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of pictures of these, but this is my first one. World, hello, future self. Joshua Tree National Park in California. Here we go, zooming into Southern California area, the high desert. There she is, Joshua Tree National Park. Zooming in east of Southern California. Los Angeles is to the left here, and on the other side of the mountains is Palm Springs. Zooming down into the red area here, one of the more famous, one of the more popular short hikes, Hidden Valley Nature Trail it's called. Relatively short, just a little bit over a mile. And let's do some tilting here. We are looking north, okay, and then we will kind of zoom this way and tilt it this way. See if I can move it back around. Come on. Alright, so let's tilt it. Oh, there we go. Alright, now we are still looking kind of a northwest area. You can see that there's not too much elevation gain. Okay, it is fairly small. It is a valley. This area here was blasted by the historical report said it was the blast zone area, and they used it as a corral for cattle. In the past, this wasn't a high desert. It was, I guess, it had a lot of vegetation and grass in this area here, along the center part. There are washes that come through here. They come off the higher area on the left, down to the right. The place is stunning. These little satellite images kind of don't do it justice. Let me see here. Yeah, it's famous. It's popular for hiking, mountain climbing, or I'm sorry, rock climbing, study of nature. Now we're looking more south. As you can see, it does tilt out. Now you can see a little more of the elevation of the small area around it. If we come out a little farther, you'll see another famous popular point, Ryan Mountain. So this is our hike. Rather short, but a new area. Thank you very much. Enjoy the hike. First steps into the Joshua Tree area. Just off the side of the main road here. This is the city of Joshua Tree, not the park. First look, I don't know, this place is crazy looking. First trail here. Getting ready to go into this little hidden valley, I guess. Oh, I see. Oh, interesting. Hidden Valley. Apparently an old, they had to blast their way into this valley. It was hidden. Now it's not. The Pinyon Pine. You can hear the wind go through it. I'm sure I'm gonna get a lot of pictures of these, but this is my first one. It's a thin rock. I'm not sure if you can walk on it. I'll see it. Look around over here. Interesting formation here. I think on the map it's called something. Thin rock or something. Amazing view. Okay, so working our way to another little opening. That wall is huge. Kind of glad that it's not too crowded. It's early and a weekday. Can get these awesome views without people because this place looks like it would get busy. Look at this valley. Impressive, huh? Impressive. Apparently it was hidden, right? They had to blast their way through to get to see this. And there's trees that grow in here and only in this area because of it holds the moisture. Oh, wow, look at this. Get a really close look at this. Hidden Valley. cactus in. Awesome. So it took me a second to figure this out, but you can see climbers. There. There. The Great Burrito. Not sure what it's called, but I'll put it in the description. So these rock climbers. Speaking of rock climbers, another guy. Not Yosemite, but close. Or I don't know. Rock climbers probably would say moderate. I don't know. I find these. I believe these are yucca, but I'll find out. Find them fascinating. The big burrito right there. So interesting, this place. World, hello, future self. We are in Joshua Tree National Park. Today's hike is Hidden Valley. It's a central a central rock enclosed area. That's what's unique about this rock enclosed area in Joshua Tree National Park, known for its scenic hiking, boulder climbing, and first come first served camping. It was historically used as a cattle rustling hideout by ranchers who blasted an opening into the valley. You walk right through that blasted area for this hike. Interesting. Again, just a loop. Take your time. I enjoyed it. I looked at the vegetation in the area, the rock formation, how they were formed. There's rock climbing, of course. Oh my goodness, Hidden Valley is a premier climbing destination with over 8,000 routes and 2,000 boulder problems, I guess rock climbing problems throughout the park. Oh, that's the whole park, I thought maybe. Lots of climbing, there's camping along the site. Looks like there's 44 first come first serve areas. Okay, and I wanted to see if there was some type of historical Native American association with the Hidden Valley, that specific little area, but it doesn't look like it. It just tells a generalization of the different indigenous peoples, the Serrano, like Cahuilla, Chemehuevi. They have a historical and spiritual of the whole park area. Okay, let's see. I forgot. I don't know if I asked another question. I did not, but there's something I wanted to know. I'll have to do it later. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy the hike.